Just wow. It will be bite me or no?
Nah. Nah, she's cool.
Wow. This is snake.
You never touch one?
No, I don't want to touch a scary from snake, I tell you.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's like touching a leather bag.
Wow. I cannot believe.
You go that way, it's smoother. It's like a belt. It feels like a belt. That's why I bought her at. Her name's Bella. Yeah, she's only like 4. Yeah, but when the sun's out in the hot, I'll bring her out. She'll get another foot. She's 4 at the minute. Yeah. And then the one indoors is going to get 14 once she's big.
Yeah, she's big.
Yeah, but this one, fully grown fine.
Pets to her head? Or just the body?
Yeah, you can touch her anywhere. She's genuinely that cool.
Can you take a picture with that?
Yeah.
Just want to put his hand. Yeah,
She's cool.
Come here.
Oh,
Come here.
You want to hold her, yeah?
Yeah, he's gonna hold it.
Right, if you think of being a tree, yeah, you've got to make her secure, yeah? So if you hold one part here like this, with this hand, yeah? And then this section. That's it. Make her head up, yeah? That's it. Yeah. It feels good, innit?
Yeah, feels good.
I have adults asking if they would swallow her. Just swallow her.
Look, snake, big snake.
Chicks. Day old chicks. He's not got as much, but I'll give her 2 of them if I'm feeding her too much of them. She gets too fat from the diet. No, she's all out now, but she was really slow to eat. But it's not healthy. But she's perfect now. She's just shed it 2 days ago as well, which is what that is there.